Hey there! Discover how EZRentOut helps you manage equipment, track orders, and monitor service events with its intuitive dashboard. Start by exploring the Edit Dashboard option to add relevant widgets to your dashboard. Access your active and booked rental orders to monitor current business activity and track your equipment's utilization. You can also view your rental calendar from the dashboard to easily manage upcoming orders and service events. Similarly, from the inbuilt map, stay updated on the most recent status of your rental equipment and know the location of every piece at all times. Also monitor ongoing and upcoming service events in real time with the service and maintenance widgets. Explore the EZRentOut dashboard on your own to see how you can improve your rental operations. Happy renting!